Good evening, my wonderful people all over the world. This is Jupiter's Autos International Limited, your shop log. Guys, I have this beautiful RS 350 F Sport 2017 model, accident free, very beautiful car. Guys, I need only 42 million naira buying, shipping and clearing for this F Sport. 42 million down to your doorstep. It's very clean title, brand new standard. Digital LED light, digital fog lamp. This is the parking sensor, parking sensor, parking sensor, parking sensor. Very beautiful car, going for very cheap price. Going for very cheap price. Now F Sport, okay, fully loaded car, fully loaded. No scratch, no dent. Buy and drive, you are fixing nothing. Very sweet car. This is the boot mat, okay? This is the boot mat, and then this is the boot rug. Okay, see this one, save. They never remove them from the bag. I think this is there another net that used to be here also. Okay, so you can see that this car is still brand new condition. Here is the manual. Okay, this is the manual. Another manual is here, and we have our spare tires. You can see brand new, never touched ground before. You can see here is the fire extinguisher. We have all the jack and the wheel spanners, okay, and very beautiful interior. F Sport, clean machine. And look at this amazing interior. Super clean. Super clean. F Sport. Car is like brand new. Super. Back AC vent. And by the way, AC is mortuary standard. Very cold. Very cold. The front side. Ochaki. Very long screen. You have your 2 cup holder, mouse, fullest option. Sunroof, one touch. See, one touch. Very clean. You there here? Yeah. Okay. So guys, you see Amabi, very beautiful. $4,000 F Sport. Okay, let me show you engine. See, I'm here now, 2017 model. Wait for your phone. Clean title. Engine look new. Okay. I need only 42 million naira for this car. Buying, shipping and clearing down to your doorstep. Small money. Small money. So my good people, if you are interested in this F Sport, contact me at +971 588 492810. Ask for my account, you give me deposit, I put them for you for inside ship. ASAP. Container day available. F Sport. F Sport. Very beautiful. Interior. Let me show you guys one more time. The car too sweet. Yotala. Very beautiful. No car. F Sport Rain, direct from company. There's no any modification here. Everything original. Everything original. Okay, so guys, don't forget that my phone number remains +971 588 492 810. If you're interested, give us a call. Let us grab it ASAP.